Good morning, students. This is our chemistry period. Okay, today we have to learn about the molecules. What are the molecules? In previous classes, we already have learned about the molecules. So, molecules is the smallest particles of an element. Molecule are the smallest particle of an elements or the compounds which exist independently and show all the properties of that substance. मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या होते हैं? आर द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट्स, ओके, और कंपाउंड्स एग्जिस्ट इंडिपेंडेंटली and show all the properties of that substance. Okay, two or more elements are grouped together and form the molecules, and as two or more elements are held together by the force of attraction. Okay, the two or more, if this one element is held to another element, this is a force of attraction and this is a molecule. Okay, now atoms of the same element or the different element can join together to form a molecule. So first of all, see, this is any atom. If these two atoms are combining, it will make a one molecule. If we take a molecule, that is, if we combining the two atoms of oxygen, here is a one atom of oxygen, another atom of oxygen, here is a bond which is held by the force of attraction, that is a bond, and we will get a O2. O2 is a molecules of the same atom. O2 is a molecule of the same atom. Now let's move to CO2. CO2 में क्या होता है? There is a one carbon atom is held to oxygen atom. That is, here is a force of attraction, that is bond. Okay, and the molecule which is formed CO2 with the help of the carbon atom and two oxygen atom. Okay, now see, this is here is a nitrogen atoms are held together and form the molecule N2. Okay, here is a oxygen atom held together and form the molecule O2. But here the carbon and two oxygen atom held and form the CO2, carbon dioxide. Okay, now here is a case of the methane. One carbon atom and four hydrogen atom are combining together and form the CH4. CH4 means methane. Okay, now here oxygen atom, the atoms are same. Okay, hydrogen, the both atoms are same. Nitrogen, both nitrogen atoms are same, but here NO means nitrogen oxide. NO means a nitrogen oxide or nitrogen monoxide. It is also called nitrogen monoxide. N and O, the atoms are different. One is oxygen atom and another is a nitrogen atom. Okay, it is also a molecule. Here the water, one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atom. Here is another molecule. Okay, now NO2, that is a nitrogen dioxide. One nitrogen atom and two oxygen atom are held with the help of the force of attraction, that is a bond, and then molecule is formed. Now here the molecules of the elements. Molecule of the elements. So here molecule of an elements contains atom of the same element. क्या होता है? It contains the atom of same element means what? If O and O are combining and it make the O2. Here is the atoms of the same element. Molecules of the some element contain only one atom, and the molecules of some element contain two or more atoms. Okay, like if the molecules is containing, like it is containing two atoms. In case of carbon dioxide, it containing three atoms. Okay, like that. Now atomicity of an element. So what is the atomicity of an element? Is the number of atom present in one molecule of the element. क्या होता है atomicity? What is the atomicity? The number of atoms present in a one molecule of an element, that is the atomicity of the element. See, this is a type of elements, names are given here and atomicity are given here. So see, argon So it is represented by AR. AR, it is a argon. So it is a non-metal type of element, is a non-metal, and atomicity is a, it is a monoatomic. Monoatomic means only one atom is there for argon का बस एक ही atom है, that is it is a monoatomic. Now case of next that is a helium. It is also a non-metal. Next one is a helium. It is also a non-metal. Okay, it is also a non-metal. Only one atom, that is it is a monoatomic. ये क्या है, monoatomic, because only one atom is there. Now third one is a oxygen. Oxygen क्या है, oxygen it is a non-metal. It is also a non-metal. Okay, O2 लिखते हैं हम, O and 2. Then how many oxygen atoms are there? 2 oxygen atoms. So that's why we called is a diatomic. That's why we called is a diatomic. Okay, diatomic. Now third one, hydrogen. It is also a diatomic. It is also a non-metal. Now nitrogen also a non-metal. It is a diatomic. Okay, chlorine is a non-metal. Okay, it is a diatomic because Cl2 is there. Now phosphorus, it is a P4. It is a phosphorus. It is a 4 phosphorus. कितने atoms है phosphorus के? 4. That is it is a 4 phosphorus. It is also a non-metal. Sulfur, 8 atoms of sulfur. That is a polyatomic. ये क्या है? Polyatomic. It is also a non-metal. Sodium, sodium is a metal. Only one atom of sodium, that is it is a monoatomic. Now move to iron. Iron is a metal also, and it is a monoatomic because it has a one atom of the iron. Okay, now aluminium. Aluminium is a monoatomic and it is also a metal. Okay, here we have to if possible, if you have possible, then you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, screenshot you have to take if it is important for you. Actually it is important, and you can take screenshot for this for better understanding. Okay, because here the elements are given. Okay, and whether they are metals or non-metal, it is also given, and their atomicity also given. So take a screenshot of this. Now next, that is a molecules of the compounds. So molecule of compounds means what? The molecule of the compound contains atoms of two or more different types of the element. क्या होता है compounds के molecules means it contains the atoms of two or more different type of the element, like H2O, carbon dioxide. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एटम्स इसने कंसिस्ट किए हैं, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द कंपाउंड. ओके, नाउ सम हियर इज अ लिस्ट इज गिवन, कंपाउंड्स आर गिवन, कंबाइनिंग एलिमेंट्स आर गिवन, and number of atoms of the each element is given. Okay, now first we have to take the example for water. water का formula क्या है H2O. now there is a one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atom. Okay, first of all, combining elements, which are their combining element? Hydrogen and oxygen are the combining element. How many hydrogens? Two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Now move to ammonia. Formula for ammonia, it is a NH3. Nitrogen and hydrogen atoms are present. One nitrogen and three hydrogen atoms are present. Now move to carbon dioxide. Carbon and oxygen are present. One carbon and two oxygen atoms are present there. Okay, now move to hydrochloric acid. That is the formula for hydrochloric acid is a HCl. क्या है formula hydrochloric acid का? HCl, and it is a hydrogen atom is there and chlorine atom is there. Okay, one hydrogen and one chlorine atom. Now move to nitric acid. So what is the formula for nitric acid? HNO3. Oxygen atom is there, nitrogen atom is there, and also hydrogen atom is there. 3 oxygen atoms, 1 nitrogen atom, and 1 hydrogen atom. Okay, now sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is very important, and it is very dangerous acid also. The formula for H2SO4 is the sulfuric acid is the H2SO4. There is the oxygen atom, sulfur atom, and hydrogen atom. 4 oxygen atoms are there, 1 sulfur atom is there, and 2 hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, now up to this, I hope you all are understanding up to this what is the molecules. Okay, and how these compounds or molecules of the compounds are, molecules of the elements are. Okay, now in next class we have to learn about the what is an ion. Okay, in next class we will discussing about the ion. Okay, and ion and formula of the compounds, how we designing the formula for compound. Okay, up to this we have to stop here.